Hello everyone, today we would be seeing the Vlookup function in Excel. So assume we have a data like this which is unsorted and unfiltered, and we have to enter these data into the column section here. So how do we proceed about this? It's just 1 minute task. Delete the unwanted columns and equal to left of A2 comma 8 characters from the left we need. So we took 8 characters from the left from this A2 box, drag the formula, and now you can copy and you can paste these as values, paste values. Now if it shows error and asks you to convert to number, it's more beneficial. Now we can copy this data, we can put absent here for these empty columns AB, we can put AV absent. So this data you can copy and in a new sheet you can, this is already stable, sorry. So you can paste it here. Now go to the sheet 1. The formula is equal to Vlookup in the parenthesis open. You are searching for this key in the range. Now select the range, select the range from here to here. In this range, comma, you are looking in the second column, comma, false for any repetition, and click enter. F-A-L-S-E, false, F-A-L, false. Now we got 23. As you see, roll number 1, it searches for roll number 1, and we got 23. So we'll drag the same data here. Okay, the mistake is we need to click F4 so that the sheet table is locked. And now you drag the data, and yes, that's all. Now you got n by a error and n by a because these two values weren't found in the sheet. So there is no value 49 in the sheet. Control 49, there is no value 49, and there is no value for 39 found in that. That's why it's showing like this. So you can leave like this or give 0. That's all for today. Thank you and hope you love Vlookup too.